Hi, George here with a little bit of information about Adobe getting rid of parts of Photoshop Elements. Now, there have been two online pieces of Photoshop Elements. I've never really talked about them because I've always been in beta mode and I stay away from beta mode stuff. And that's the Elements Web, which is right down here under this button, and also up here under the File menu, open from mobile right there. The mobile app would allow you to access your online library right from your smartphone, which I guess is kind of useful, but not really that much since you can't do much on your smartphone. Just use the online library, which of course could be, I suppose, useful if you're taking pictures with your smartphone and you wanted then to put those into folders, but I never found this really that useful. And the other one down here is Elements Web. And this was an online tool that allowed you to quickly apply several different guided edits right online instead of having to open up the full Elements program. Now, in both of these instances, I thought that these are really more marketing tricks than anything else. And it turns out that Adobe really didn't have that much of an idea how to use these. So what happened this year, actually was on January 31st, is that they have canceled both of these tools, the Elements Mobile up here and also the Elements Web right down there. If you click on the Elements Mobile up here, you'll find that it no longer can find this. And it says beta up there, of course. And if we click on Elements Web, it takes you over to the Adobe website with a notice of the discontinuation of Elements Mobile and the Web Beta apps. So they are now no longer here. If you use both of those, the Elements Web has now been removed completely. It's gone. If you use the mobile app, you can still use that mobile app and it will still work. If you're on Android, it will keep on working until it's manually uninstalled. But you can no longer add that to your mobile phone. It's been taken out of the Google Play Store. If you're over on iOS mobile, it's already gone over there. You see it on about 90 days after the official discontinuation. So at this point, iOS no longer has the mobile app available. There are no alternate apps for this. For a while there, Adobe felt that online was the future and the way to go. That's been replaced now with all this AI stuff. So AI has taken over all the online things, and you find a lot of companies are dropping their online access and replacing that with AI access. What hasn't been discontinued is my training course and my Elements Photo Coach. If you're curious about either of those, I'll put a link for that at the top of the description. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you next time.